it's Crafty Rhea, and I'm back again today to pick another winner. The last two winners for the 50th Christmas card video have not contacted me, so we're going to pick someone else. Please contact me if it's you. I hope so. Okay, here is the card that I made for the 50th recycled Christmas card, with the cute little door and the cute little saying inside. The winner will get this card plus the rest of these goodies. These are some embellishments, some ornaments, and some snowflakes. And these cute little October afternoon holiday style rub-ons. And this Holiday Splendor Stampabilities stamp kit. It contains 5 rubber stamps, and there's a picture of them, and it also comes with a little black ink pad, and it's by Stampabilities. And this really cute American Girl Library Christmas Crafts book, so you can work on some really cool Christmas crafts at home. There's some adorable crafts in this book. Alrighty, I will get my handy dandy winner picker, and we will see if we can get another winner. So I have the URL for that 50th Christmas card video in the box there, and I'm going to click Get YouTube Comments, and there are 25 unique commenters. Now I will say before I hit the start button, if one of the 2 people that I've already chosen win, I will pick another person instead. Alright, so let's go. Let's hit start. Hit it like I mean it. There we go. Let's see who the winner is. The winner is Donna Snyder, and her comment was, "You have inspired me to repurpose old Christmas cards in new ways. Thank you." All right, Donna, you are the winner. Please send me your name and mailing address to my email, which is tiggeria@gmail.com, and I'll leave that in the description below. Today is Wednesday, March 25th, and I will give you until Friday, the 27th, at the end of the day, 11:59 p.m., to email me your name and mailing address so I can get your prize out to you. If I don't hear from Donna by the end of the night, Friday night, I will come back on Saturday and draw a 4th winner. But I hope I don't have to. If anyone knows Donna, please reach out to her and let her know that she has won. Thank you again so much, everyone, for watching. Thanks for all of the support. I wish you all well, and I hope you have a great day. And until the next video, go get crafting. Bye-bye.